In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect and integrate ClickUp with Google Docs using Zapier. So without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to zapier.com and log in to your Zapier account. This is where we can make the integration happen. So on the top left, click on Create and click on Zap. Now, this is the workflow tool that we can use to connect the two, Google Docs and ClickUp. So let's describe our workflow for the Copilot to help us. So connect ClickUp with Google Docs, then enter. As you can see, Zapier would automatically help you with making this integration. Now, right here, since I am on a free plan, as you can see, there is a two-step step that we need to make the automation simpler. So let's choose what we want to happen. Let's create a new Google Doc when a ClickUp task is created. Enter. Let's wait for it. Now we will choose a trigger. Let's choose one of this. As you can see, Zapier is doing all the work, and what we only do is waiting for Zapier to finish. Now, Zapier would then ask that you connect your accounts. So let's wait for that. As you can see, we already signed in with our ClickUp. So all we need to do is sign in to our Google Docs. Continue. Choose your account. Continue. Give access. Now, let's choose a value. Let's test the trigger. And that's it. We can now continue with our selected record. Very easy, right? So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.